Hello everyone, I'm Shikha. I did my graduation in engineering and computer science. I'm also postgraduate MBA. Today I'm going to discuss about the topic of math, that is algebraic expression. First of all, we know about what is the algebraic expression. This can be described by three statements. This can be shown here. First statement is that what is the how can we can write this statement, the sum of 3 and 7. How can we write that? We can write sum, that means the addition. Sum, that means the addition of 3 and 7. This can be write by this 3 plus 7. This is the expression. In this expression there are only numeric value, that is 3 and 7. So this kind of expression is called the numeric expression. Here some another statement, that is the sum of number and 7. Similar equation is that, but here the in this statement we can use a number as compared to the 3. So how can we write this statement? Sum, that means the addition of a number. Here we don't know about the what is the number, so we can use a variable, that is the x, and this statement can be write by x plus 7. So here is a someone is a numeric value and someone is the variable value. So this kind of the expression is called the algebraic expression. Basics of the algebraic expression. What are the basics? What are the main points of the algebraic expression which are used to solve the numericals? First point is that is the variable. What is the variable? Variable is any kind of number whose value has not be defined, which can be take any value, whose value are unknown to us. For example, that is the x, y, z in a equation, in a expression is called a variable. Then next term is a constant, in which constant is a term which contains no variables. For example, x plus 4, here the 4 has a no variable, so only 4 is a constant. Next one is the coefficient. Coefficient is a integral value before any variable. For example, 4x cube plus 4. Here the variable is a x cube, and before x cube what is the value? Is a 4, that is a 4. So the coefficient of x cube is a 4. Next term is a degree. Degree is the maximum power of a variable in a expression. So we can describe by this example, 4x cube plus 3x plus 4. So the here variables value x has a power is 3, and here the 3x in which the variable is x has a power is a 1, and then here is a 4, that is a constant. So the maximum power of x is 3. So the here degree is 3. Next last main point is that the terms. What is the terms? Terms contains the variable, constant, coefficient and degree. All are containing, so these kind is called the terms. For example, 5x minus 3. Here x is a variable and before x is a coefficient, that is the 5, and 3 here is a no variable is available, so this is a constant. So these are combined in a statement which is called the terms. Next topic, what is the type of the algebraic expression? Types of algebraic expression, it's very important topic. Most of the questions comes in a exam arises from here. So the first type is a monomial, second type is a binomial, third type is a trinomial, fourth type is a polynomial. First of all, what is the monomial? Mono, that means a 1. Mono, that means 1. It means expression which contain only one term is called a monomial. For example, 3x power 4. That means here is only one term. Another example is 4xy. These are also contain only one term. This is called a mononomial. And binomial, which have bi means two. That means two terms contain. An expression which contains the two terms is called a binomial. Binomial, for example, 5x plus 4. Here the 5x is the first term and 4 is the second term. So these two terms are combined together, so that this kind of the this type of the expression is called a binomial. And here similarly trinomial, which contains three type of the terms, and this can be explained by this: x cube plus 2x plus 3. Here this is the first, this is the second term, this is the third term. So these three terms are combined. This is called a trinomial. And last one is very important for our examination, that is the polynomial. Poly, that means many. Polynomial, that means many terms. An expression which contains the many terms is called a polynomial. This can be defined as with the example x power 6 plus 5x power 4 plus 3x plus 6. Here this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, and this one is the fourth term. So that there is the more than three terms are combined together to form an expression. This is called a polynomial. And polynomials has a one condition, that is the power of variable in the polynomial is always a whole number. Any kind of expression which contain the power is a whole number, that is the 3x power 4, 3x power 4 plus 6. Here the power of the variable is a 4, that is the whole number. So we can say that this is the polynomial.